Hello, I am Frank Iguanes, and in this video I shall be explaining the Business Intelligence and Reporting home assignment. You will find this at the bottom of the Moodle page, where you have the assignment brief, dataset, and the forum dedicated for any clarifications. So once you download the files, extract the dataset, and there you have 4 CSVs. If you check them, so you have the list of locations and the TripAdvisor geographical ID of the locations in question. Then you have the URLs for each restaurant, as well as the restaurant with their ID, the name of the restaurant, the price range, the rating in multiples of 10, the number of reviews, and the tags. Finally, you will get the actual reviews, the individual reviews. So the review code, the date when it was done, the rating, so that's a 5-star, title, and the review content. The idea is the following. I created a very simple scraper where I went to TripAdvisor, the restaurants section. I went in a number of locations, so say Valletta. One second. There you have the list of restaurants as the one I showed you as a CSV. So here you have the title, the number of reviews, the rating, the price range, the tags. Then if you go in specifically the review section of that restaurant, you will actually see the reviews. Apologies for this. So let me just show you the assignment in the meantime. So it has 56 of the marks, upload on Moodle. I want you to create a schema where you import the CSVs, then design a OLTP and migrate, design it, yes, and save it. Then implement the OLTP and migrate from the CSV to the OLTP. Then design a cube, save the ERD, and do an ETL. Do these two queries. So I want you to query the data, show me the average rating per continent per country, the grand average, and the average per continent. Then here they show the average rating per price range and category, the grand average, and the average per range, the average per category. So it's a different kind of report than before. Then section E, I want you to do a Power BI connected to your ALAP cube and display some infographics that are useful for a managerial person. Then emulate the same reports in Excel of what you did in Power BI and compare and highlight key differences. Finally, consider the reports and mention 2 ways how this data is useful. So that's the idea. Let me see. Okay, so I can close this. So this is the reviews section. So every individual review, you have the rating, the date, the actual date, sorry, this is the actual date, the title, and the content. I did not put all information since this would be personal data or irrelevant. So yes, that is the idea. Thank you very much.